Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Ibrahim, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import files from Google Drive on Dropbox, full 2026 guide. If you've been trying to move your files between the two platforms without hassle, this walkthrough will make everything super easy. So let's jump right in. To get started, open your browser and head over to dropbox.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the main dashboard where all your folders and files appear. After that, click on Dropbox so you can access your main storage area. This will bring you into the heart of your account where everything is organized. Next, click on Home. This section usually gives you a clean overview of your recent activity and tools, and it's the perfect place to begin the import process. From here, click on Folders to open your existing folders or prepare a spot where the new imported files will go. This area helps keep everything neat and structured. Now click on New. This option lets you add or create things within Dropbox, but in this case, it's also where the import feature is located. Inside that menu, click on Import from Google Drive. This is the tool that connects your Google account to Dropbox and lets you bring files over smoothly. You'll now be taken to a Google login page, and here you simply select any Gmail account that contains the files you want to import. Once you pick the right account, Google will prepare the permissions page. On the next screen, click on Continue. This lets Dropbox access the files you select from your drive, and it's a standard security confirmation. You'll see another confirmation page asking again if you want to continue. Go ahead and click on Continue one more time so everything links properly. When the connection is complete, Dropbox will show you your Google Drive files. All you need to do now is click on any file you want to import. Just select the one you need and preview it if needed. Show image. Finally, click on Select to confirm the import. Dropbox will then bring that file into your chosen folder, and the process wraps up automatically. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to import files from Google Drive on Dropbox, full 2026 guide. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss any of my future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.